Hi guys, it's Janae and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reacting to the performance video for Stray Kids' Circus. When I reacted to the original MV, I'll link it here, I mentioned that the dancing seemed to actually be quite a focus in this video versus some of their other videos that are more like focused about storytelling and the graphics and so on, and that made me really curious to see what the full dance for the song is. So that's what we're doing today. But before we get into it, however, I just want to say a quick and massive thank you to all my amazing patrons and channel members. If you're interested in joining either of those for early access and uncut reactions, the links for it will be in the description below, along with my social media and my PO box. And if you want to subscribe, that's always greatly appreciated. But now without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Stray Kids special performing Circus.
Whoa, okay, sorry. I'm kind of surprised and impressed, and I know I shouldn't be, but it's kind of hard sometimes when you're listening to the official song to figure out when it's just their natural voice versus when there's like a little bit of auto-tune in terms of to create a certain audio effect and so on. So it's kind of insane to me to hear how much of it was just genuinely Changbin's voice, for example. Listening to the original song, I definitely thought there was a bit of like double layering in his voice and things like that, but no, it's there. I hear it now. That is impressive. Oh my soul, that sounds so good. I love these outfits. Oh my soul, okay. And that was also legit. I'm really liking what I'm seeing of the dancing, but at the same time, I kind of weirdly wish the camera would stand still. Oh my soul. It's so hard to figure out when they're actually singing though, because I know generally speaking they are singing for the most part, but you can hear there's some like backtrack bits that they don't need to sing, and it's confusing my brain a little bit. Oh, that was so satisfying. Ooh, I didn't hear that bit in the original song. Okay, can I just go back? I'm sorry, my brain is hung up on a certain part. That bit is amazing, and that bit. I don't know what he did with his legs, but it looked amazing. I really love how you can see their formation so clearly. Like that for me was something that I found very impressive when I watched, it was either Maniac or Thunderous's dance performance videos, where even without the actual music video going on, the dancing is done in a way that it still tells the same story in essence, and I think that is just so clever, and you can see it here as well. Okay, I could hear him breathe there, so definitely actually happening. This is such a dynamic dance as well. Yes, that was satisfying, thank you. I'm very glad I checked that out. I know it's not their most difficult performance. There was definitely like a lot of repeats and so on, and even though I just said it is dynamic, if I have to compare it to something like Thunderous or Maniac, not the most dynamic of their songs. But in my personal opinion, if you set the bar as high as they tend to set it, doesn't mean it's a bad dance. Like, I still think there was a lot of merit to it. I really enjoyed it, and I'm kind of just excited to maybe go back and check a few different moves again, because there were some moments that I really felt were quite powerful. So yeah, I really enjoyed that, but I do at some point want to check out Easy, I want to check out All In, I need to check out Drive at some point. And Double Knot is also one that I've heard a lot of good things about and I have no idea what to expect. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction, and otherwise I'll see you guys again next time. ZHENG!